Hi, dear friend. Welcome back to Aeroplanes and Boats by Sharath. Customer Demand and Wings Aircraft Library. Design Approach Shaping New Aircraft. Let's hear what Wing says about their new aircraft. At Wing, we are always thinking big about how to optimize drone delivery. Today, we are thinking bigger. We are introducing an additional aircraft into our fleet that will simplify and streamline larger orders. With more than 350,000 Wing deliveries completed to customers' homes across 3 continents, we are learning so much from our partners and the customers who receive our drone deliveries. Today, we offer the ability for customers to fulfill larger orders beyond what fits on one aircraft. Our customer and partner data tells us that 70% of all US orders are delivered by one Wing aircraft, while 30% are delivered by two. To better serve that 30% and further optimize our business, we will be introducing an additional aircraft to complement our existing fleet. Think of it like how airlines operate different aircraft for different routes. This new aircraft will streamline our deliveries of larger orders. For example, you could order last minute ingredients for dinner, pasta, marinara sauce, parmesan cheese, canned olives, and garlic. Just like other forms of transportation, drone delivery is not one size fits all. This is why we have taken an approach to aircraft development that we call an aircraft library, where our team works on a variety of configurations, where our team builds on core components we already use for our flight proven aircraft. When we identify a need in the market, such as a larger aircraft for larger orders, we can adapt our design to meet that need quickly and efficiently. Our new aircraft is the latest example of how we are using the design principles of the aircraft library to optimize drone delivery. By complementing Wing's existing fleet of commercially operational aircraft, which carry about 2.5-pound payload, this additional aircraft will make it even easier for customers to get what they need when they want it. The new aircraft has the same round trip range of 12 miles and can cruise approximately 65 miles per hour, all while carrying a standard cardboard delivery box with a payload up to 5 pounds. Of course, an aircraft is only as effective as the software and logistics networks that make it meaningful for businesses and customers. We are designing the aircraft to work with the existing infrastructure and automation systems that support our current fleet. It has always been our vision to implement a multimodal drone delivery model in the same way that ground delivery uses different vehicle sizes for different orders. We are committed to making that vision a reality so more shoppers can experience the convenience of drone delivery. With the new aircraft carrying more food, medicine, and household essentials, customers in urban and suburban areas will be able to bundle their orders better, and Wing will have better capacity to deliver them in one quick trip. We are excited to better serve our partners and customers with both aircraft. Wing intends to work with partners and regulatory stakeholders to introduce these new aircraft in our service areas within the next 12 months.